United by Blue is an outdoor lifestyle brand based in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. We create everything from rugged canvas bags to organic cotton shirts to camping socks. And for every product that we sell, we remove 1 pound of trash from our world's oceans and waterways. This company began with us getting our hands dirty, organizing and hosting all of our own cleanups, creating a community of those that care about the outdoors. All of our products are responsibly made from sustainable materials, such as organic cotton and wool. They're designed to explore with you, whether that be the market, the trails, or the water. We're inspired by the creators, explorers, the earth and the waters we clean, and a really good cup of coffee. We believe in the Blue Movement and endlessly working to craft responsible, durable goods for whatever life may bring.